See you.
Manufacturers design and supply safety gates, which not only withstand long-term, everyday use, but also ensure that your child is completely safe. Lindam know that parents put their trust in our products, and we wanted the safety gates undergo before they reach your home. The standards are designed to replicate everyday household use and comprise of a number of different tests. All children are inquisitive, and as soon as you restrict their access to something or somewhere, they will do what they can to get to the other side.